Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the exciting world of AI in the kitchen. We'll be using ChatGPT to generate unique recipes based on trending ingredients and dietary preferences. We'll also dive into how AI can help with meal planning, ingredient substitutions, and even cooking techniques. So, let's get started and see how AI can spice up your culinary adventures. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we cook and eat. From generating creative recipes to providing cooking tips and tricks, AI tools like ChatGPT can be your culinary assistant, offering endless possibilities in the kitchen. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art AI developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text based on prompts, making it a powerful tool for brainstorming creative ideas, including recipes. But that's not all. AI can also help with meal planning, dietary adjustments, and learning new cooking techniques. First, we need to decide on the type of recipe we want ChatGPT to create. Let's choose a trending ingredient and a dietary preference. How about something vegan with a twist of spicy jalapeños, which are really popular right now? As we wait for ChatGPT to generate the recipe, think about how AI can be your personal sous chef, offering creative ideas and inspiration whenever you're in the kitchen. Alright, here we have it. ChatGPT suggests a stuffed jalapeños with quinoa and black beans. Let's take a closer look at the ingredients and instructions. This recipe features quinoa, black beans, corn, avocado, and a jalapeno lime dressing. It sounds delicious and nutritious. However, recipes are often a starting point. We can always tweak them to better fit our tastes or dietary needs. Let's use ChatGPT to modify this recipe for a more customized version. Let's see how ChatGPT responds to our modification request. ChatGPT suggests reducing the number of jalapeños or swapping them for roasted bell peppers to decrease the heat. To add more protein, it recommends incorporating cooked tempeh or tofu. These tweaks not only customize the flavor but also enhance the nutritional value of the dish. These modifications show how easy it is to adapt AI-generated recipes to suit our personal preferences. By using AI prompts like this, you can tailor recipes to better fit your taste or nutritional goals, making AI a versatile tool in the kitchen. Let's follow ChatGPT's instructions step by step and see how this dish turns out. While we're cooking, it's amazing to see how AI can help even experienced chefs discover new flavor combinations. It's like having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas. While our dish is simmering, let's dive into some additional AI-powered cooking tips and tricks. These can help you streamline your cooking process, make the most of your ingredients, and expand your culinary repertoire. AI tools like Mealim and Paprika are fantastic for planning meals ahead of time. They allow you to input dietary preferences, allergies, and favorite cuisines, and then suggest weekly meal plans, complete with shopping lists. Mealim offers personalized meal plans and generates shopping lists based on the selected recipes. It can also sync with your calendar for better meal scheduling. Paprika allows you to save recipes from anywhere, plan meals for the week, and automatically create grocery lists. Have you ever been in the middle of cooking and realized you're missing a key ingredient? AI can help suggest alternatives based on what's in your pantry. Tools like ChatGPT can provide quick substitution options to keep your cooking on track. AI can also help you master new cooking techniques. Ask ChatGPT for advice on techniques like sautéing, baking, or grilling to improve your skills. Use AI to adapt recipes to your taste preferences or dietary restrictions. ChatGPT can suggest ways to make a recipe spicier, healthier, or gluten-free. Set AI-powered reminders or timers using voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant to keep track of cooking times and avoid overcooking your meals. These AI tips can help you become more efficient in the kitchen and give you the confidence to experiment with new recipes and techniques. Beyond ChatGPT, several AI tools and websites can enhance your cooking experience. Let's take a look at some of the best ones available. Yoomli uses AI to provide personalized recipe recommendations based on your tastes and dietary preferences. It also includes instructional videos and step-by-step guides to help you in the kitchen. Known for its viral recipe videos, Tasty offers an app with AI features that help you find recipes based on the ingredients you have. It also provides meal planning and step-by-step cooking instructions. SideChef provides AI-driven cooking assistance with step-by-step instructions and voice-guided recipes. It also helps with meal planning and grocery delivery integration. These tools use AI to make cooking easier, more fun, and more accessible. Whether you're looking to save time, explore new recipes, or enhance your cooking skills, these resources are invaluable. There you have it, AI-generated recipes can be a hit. ChatGPT has proven to be a creative tool in the kitchen, helping us discover new and exciting dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI adventures in cooking and beyond. If you have any suggestions for ingredients or types of recipes you'd like us to try next, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!